Trying to change drive belt on 2010 Craftsman pyt9000. The belt guard is preventing installation of new belt. Does the drive pulley need to be removed? If so, how do you remove drive pulley?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A couple days. I can't find any info from Craftsman or YouTube for this particular model. It is different from any I have seen.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, just help with changing drive belt.
Hi, my name is I am here to help you. Your mower was built by MTD and for several years, most likely including yours, they had trouble with the engine drive pulley getting stuck onto the crankshaft. The most economical way to change your belt, if the pulley is stuck, is to unbolt the engine and raise it up enough to remove the belt from the top. Have you removed your PTO clutch yet?
The clutch has been removed, but pulley does not freely come off. I was considering a puller to remove pulley. Should the pulley come off easily?
Don't use a puller. You'll destroy the pulley and then have to remove the engine to cut the pulley off. There were mistakes made in the manufacturing process that caused the pulley to rust to the crankshaft of the engine. The cheapest and easiest way to move forward is to unbolt the engine. Then you can raise the front of the engine enough to expose the pulley and get the belt off. Then you slip on the new belt and bolt the motor back down.
Thanks for your help. I will try raising the front of the engine. I'm really disappointed with the whole design of this thing. There was no thought of maintenance in the design.
It's been my pleasure. I actually have one on my bench right now so I can cut the pulley off and change the crankcase gasket. There's something else. Please let me know if I can be of further assistance.
Will do.
Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.